Hey, welcome back again, viewers and subscribers. This moment, I want to be doing this video on trumpet bush tree, or otherwise called snake wood tree, scientifically called Cecropia peltata, and it's one of those plants that famously has been used for treating colds, flu, and other respiratory ailments. And as always, we have to link the evidence-based studies, right? It's one thing to be hearing about, using a plant, a herb, traditionally, but to go and actually find the evidence-based studies or the scientific studies. And from what I have found, right, based on one study, I also came across while searching the literature, right? The leaves of Cecropia peltata trumpet bush tree is in fact, owing to its ethnopharmacological uses, does in fact treat colds, and an infusion of the leaves drunk throughout the day. Also, from what I found, it's also used to treat inflammation and also for heart health. So here it is, and uh, owing to research that I did, right, it's quite very important for regeneration of forests and ecosystems. It's quite the pioneer, right? Found in the Caribbean, right? The tropics biome, right? I've even also found out that these green fruits here can be, in fact, eaten, right? So it's quite a very important plant, right? When it comes to maintenance of ecosystems, right? Their regeneration, right? And these are the leaves. These are the leaves that are usually boiled, right? Usually boiled. Also good to promote kidney health, right? Not just to treat respiratory ailments, right? And these trees, they grow very, very tall. See that one? This one here? Right. Let me go right in here. All these dry leaves around here. Make my way through here. See? Look how big that is. Looks like a, wow, huge trunk, huge stem that fell off there. Wow. Yeah. Wow. One of my nursing friends told me in St. Lucia, they actually make a complimentary drink from the infusion, right, of the leaves. Yeah. Pretty amazing, huh? Well, like I said, most of the time they use it is to treat colds, flu, and also to treat high blood pressure. Right, but do another video linking the ethnopharmacological studies and the activities, evidence-based management, treatments. It's always, we want to link the research, right? All right, thanks again for watching.